And so it begins. There's dog pee in it.
Ew.
It is really snowing. It's so windy. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Family Young Vlogs. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's dark outside because it's 5 a.m. and I figured now is the most appropriate time to start this vlog because we are supposed to get a snowstorm today. It's supposed to be about 20 inches, which is a lot. So I had to get some salt and some shovels and I laid the salt down. Porch, driveway, sidewalk. You guys are crafty. I don't know if I mentioned I just got home from work. I'm hoping to get about 2 hours of sleep. And so it begins. And there's Mommy taking Theo and Beck to the doctor just for a checkup. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad outside. But also remember how I said I was hoping to get 2 hours of sleep at 5:30? Well, it's 1:30 now and I just woke up. I got some sleep. And this big guy slept in with me. Didn't you, Bubba? I think we're both well rested at this point. Who's ready to go outside?
Me and Henry.
You and Henry?
Henry, is it snowing outside?
Go with me.
Is it snowing?
Outside?
Go with me.
What's that?
Go with me.
Who?
Go with
Henry? Yeah, Henry's gonna go outside.
Henry's gonna go with you, yep.
Okay.
Hey, hey, what? Hey, you have to get changed, but you can't go outside like that. Look at you. Beauty. I'm digging the snowsuit, girl. You're looking good. Actually, no, you look like you're about to hit the slopes in Denver or something. You look so cute. And then you got this jacket, right? Is this yours?
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is nice.
Yeah, there's a flag on it.
What's that? There's flowers on it?
Yeah.
No, those are spots. It's like a leopard.
Oh. What is this?
You're gonna look like a big cat. Henry. Guess what? Bubba, we're gonna play in the snow. Up. Hey. Oh, what, you think you're funny? Huh. That's not funny. Huh. Hey. Oh, jeez. You guys are silly.
Gonna put some gloves on?
I like.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Whoop.
You okay? Okay, look. Toots, thumb has to go in here, remember? Gosh, gloves on kids has to be the most frustrating thing in the world.
Beyond.
If you can hear Connor crying in the background, it's because they lost the remote. And we told them that they have to find it before they can go outside. Hat beauty.
I want to tie
Yeah, we need to tie it so it doesn't fall off. Otherwise, you'd be cold. You'd be freezing. Okay, jacket. Stand up. Oh, you're so bundled up. You gotta put your thumb in there.
Henry, what are you doing?
Mommy, no.
Yep, that's your mommy.
Mommy,
Okay, is your thumb in?
no. Mommy, no.
Hold on, we're about to put your hat on.
Huh?
Wanna put your hat on?
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, we're gonna go outside, but you have to put your jacket on first, bud. Yep.
No.
Come in. You're alright. You're alright. Good job. I got you. I won't drop you. I won't let go. There you go. Woo! Go ahead. You want me to make a snowman? Okay.
Yeah.
Just make sure the snow's not yellow. Do you know what it means when it's yellow?
Yeah.
What?
Maybe play it.
Means that there's dog pee in it.
Ew. It's dropping though. It's dropping.
Okay, with that scarf on, she definitely looks like the character from Christmas Story.
We'll go swing.
Wow! Woo! Look at Tootie.
They're so red.
Look at Tootie. Whoa!
Whoa, you're going so high.
Mommy.
Henry, what you doing? Is that yummy? You got me. Is that yummy? You're gonna give me. There's snow in there. Jump. Jump. Jump.
Hey, Daddy, watch me.
Snowing like crazy. Oh no, we got a snow angel going.
Daddy.
What's up, guys?
It's snowing everywhere.
It is.
Making a snowball? Yeah. This doesn't really stick that good.
Oh no, it's like a powder snow now. It's like the last time it rained on top of the snow, so it made it easier to pack, but now it's just all powder. Go ahead, guys. Let's see those snow angels. There we go. Snow angel, Henry. Go ahead, guys. Everybody, snow angel. Go ahead. Wow. Yeah, it does go a lot faster, doesn't it? You lost your big tooth, didn't you?
No.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Snowing.
We don't. It is really snowing. It's so windy. I see. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that. Good job. That's bigger than you, Pete. Oh, be careful. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop filming outside. It's getting way too dark and windy. All right, guys, let's go.
It's about 4:50. The kids and Jake are still outside. I am going to make them some hot chocolate for when they come in. And this is what we use. It's so good. So I will put, that should be good. I think it's 2 teaspoons for every 8 ounces. I will turn this. I'm going to whisk this until it is boiling, just so it all mixes together. I'll probably put the little kids in these, and I'll just put the big kids, P and Aiden's, in there. And then I'm gonna top them with these really cool marshmallow toppers. They're marshmallow and have peppermint chocolate on them. And probably some sugar-free whipped cream, even though this is filled with sugar, but that's all we have.